So now we're going to use like and wildcard characters to select all records that have an A in their state. So we'll get California and we'll get Washington. Okay? So, huh?
You're still in the book.
Ah, thank you. Keep telling me. All right, now you could all see the screen. So we're going to select any record that has an A in their state. So we're going to do select star from customers where C state like %A%. Because maybe there's an Alabama. Maybe there's a California. Right? So %A% should get, let's see if that works. Right? Like what if we had an Alabama? Let's do it. Insert into customers. Insert into customers. I could do the fields if I wanted. I'm just going to jump straight to values. And now I'm at 22. And who's in Alabama? Leroy. And he's got 11,385 that he owes on his credit card because he just couldn't help himself when he went to
California State in his class.
No, I was going to say when he went to what's that sporting goods store that all the hunters go to? Cabela. He couldn't help himself. He went to Cabela and bought 12 new AR-15s. Because nothing hunts squirrel better than AR-15. And now we got Alabama. I'm going to get somebody in Alabama mad at me. Insert into customers values 22 Leroy. I got a whole bunch of my family, my mom's side, that's all that kind of people. Values 22 Leroy 11385 Alabama. That looks good. And now let's do it again. Duplicate. Oh, I tried to insert again. There we go. That's what I want. So we got Alabama. What would have happened if I just done this, right? Like, oh, let me get everything. That's going to give me Cal and Wa, but no Alabama. 14 rows. And this one would give me Alabama, but no Cal and Wa. But this one gives me all of them. Edit. And if you're catching this online, here's the commands you enter to create your database. And let me save that. I don't know why that one's. Oh, those are the same ones. And then here's the command to add a few more records. Boom. And then this is the one we just did.